Hello everyone, this is Ashu here. You are most welcome on my YouTube channel Ashu Official. If you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So today I'm here on terrace. As you can see the weather, it's cloudy and windy at this moment, but I'm enjoying the weather on terrace. And I want to tell you basically, I generally wake up at 7 a.m., but today I woke up at 5:30. So I'm really happy for that and I'm enjoying my day. So I'm here to shoot this vlog on my terrace, but you can see like it's windy. So, but I'm trying my level best to shoot it. And I don't have a lot of experience of shooting English vlogs, but I'm trying my best because I know many people like watching vlogs but in Hindi. But if you'll watch vlogs in English, it will be really helpful for you. It will improve your English. And at the same time, when I'm shooting this vlog, I'm able to improve myself because I'm trying to express situations in English. Because most of the time when we sit inside the room, we have to speak same English all the time. But here, you need to change your language a bit. So that's why I'm trying this, and I'm trying to put variety of the content on my channel so you can like it and you can learn a lot from it. So English vlogs are also really helpful for you to improve your English. So if you don't know me and you're watching me for the first time, I'll give my introduction a bit. So my name is Ashutosh Trivedi and I hail from Kanpur, and I have recently completed my master's degree, that is Masters of Arts in English Literature. Apart from this, as you know that I'm making this video for YouTube. So I have been on YouTube for the past 4 years and I create content for English learners. Okay. So you can see behind there are a lot of buildings. I'm in Kanpur city. So this is not my house or not my village. Basically, I was born and raised in a village and I live in a city. So this is my rental house, or just I live here. So I'm on terrace and I'm trying to shoot this. So I want to request you guys that if you want to improve your English, try to shoot videos like this. Try to make videos where you can express about your hometown, about your city, anything, whatever come to your mind, about your daily routine. So as I told you about my daily routine, so today it's morning and it's not very late, but I'm just really happy. It was scorching hot few minutes ago, but right now it's cloudy and it's windy. So I'm enjoying this weather and I'm shooting this video. So I want to request you guys that if you want to speak English fluently, don't forget to do practice. If you have partners, well and good. If you don't have partners, try to just make friend or through online, or just you can do practice online. And if you're not comfortable talking to people online as well, then don't forget to just have video on camera, or just you can speak in front of mirror, or you can do self talk. So there is no need to have a lot of people around if you want to improve your English. But one on one practice is best. If you have partners, that is the best practice I can recommend you. But if you don't have, many people are unfortunate and they don't have anyone to speak English with, so for them these activities are really helpful. They can help you to improve your English. So as this is a city, so I have created few videos of my village also, but there were not buildings like this. But here you can see buildings of the 2-story buildings, 3-story buildings, and on this terrace particularly there are few plants as well, you can see behind. And it's very nice. I'm enjoying the weather, but especially I don't like coming on terrace in city. In village it's completely different. You see a lot of people on terrace and people enjoy in the evenings especially. But in city most of the time people are busy working, and so am I. Even though when I am just here in the city, most of the time I'm just trying to work on myself, trying to improve myself, making videos or talking to people, conducting some sessions or classes like that. So I don't get a lot of time to come on terrace and spend. But now I'm thinking that it's better, it's a great idea that if I come on terrace, I will create vlogs. At the same time, I'll be able to enjoy this environment, right? So I'll show you around. You can see uh, this is the terrace, full terrace. Maybe you can see, right? There are a few plants planted in some buckets, right? It's not that green because it's May, so it's scorching hot nowadays, and it's very difficult to just make them green. You need to water them every single day, and in city, you know how people just busy are. They are really busy, so they don't have that much time to water the plants every single day. And it's very difficult if you have three-story building, so you have to go up the stairs and then you have to water them. So that is a very difficult task for people. That's what I can say. But actually, it's very nice for me, and I'll be creating such kind of vlogs in future also. So if you have any idea that how can I make the vlogs better, because I'm not very good in it, and I'm doing it for maybe not for the first time, but I have done it quite some time, but not I'm not very experienced. I have a experience of conversations. I have uploaded more than 300 conversations on my YouTube channel. So if you like watching conversations, don't forget to watch conversations. But if you like watching vlogs, don't forget to watch my vlogs completely. So I am trying to put all kind of content for you people. So if you like watching vlogs, you can watch vlogs in English, not in Hindi, not in your native language, because I know many people watch vlogs but their own language. So you are already good in your own language, so it is like entertainment for you. But if you will watch vlogs in English, it will help you to improve your English. At the same time, you will be able to enjoy the environment, you will be able to enjoy the surrounding. That's what I can say to you. So that's it for today, and thank you so much. Many thanks to you people for watching this vlog till the end, and thanks for your support. I hope this vlog will do well and you people will give me a lot of support. So that's it for today. Bye bye, take care.